AD Jackson 330 here, and I am so excited to be bringing you an unboxing today for the Beautiffy Your Planner 2.0 August Anniversary Luxe VBKit. Wow, that was a mouthful, but I mean, as you can tell, this is going to be a very special video. Here is the inventory card, and let's just take a moment to appreciate all the beautiful pictures we have here of VB products throughout the years. And here is the inventory card. On the back, you get a list of everything that's included. Let's talk about this packaging before we even start looking at any of the products. Okay, can we get a size comparison here? This thing is massive. I'm so excited to tear into this. The packaging itself, I mean, we've got this matte black tissue paper with a VillabeauTIFFul logo on there. Definitely going to be looking for some ways to repurpose this tissue paper. It is so pretty. So I'm going to take everything out and get it ready to go through one by one. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Well, I hope you didn't think that just because we got special packaging for the Luxe VBKit meant that we'd be missing out on the monthly kit envelopes, because look how pretty this one is. Just wanted to share a close-up of the different art and icons on here. So perfect for planning around the office. I love these. So yeah, I just wanted to show this too. Now we'll get into some of the products. And the transparent page flags made a comeback this month. Don't forget, when you take these out of the packaging, there is a protective film on the back, so you're going to just peel that right off. And then let's get a close-up of these colors. So we've got the, it looks like black, maybe a dark brown, then gray, pink, kind of a tan nude, and then a softer pink. Sorry, the lighting's not super great in here. I wish you could pick up how pretty this is. And also that rose gold foiled backing on there, which matches the elements from the VBKit packaging. I just love it. Like, I know after I use up all of these, I'm gonna still be able to use this in my pocket either as decoration or to hold other sticky notes or something like that. So I love that it's dual purpose. We also get a pack of sticky notes this month. This one is a very soft pink, almost nude, neutral pink. And on the side of it, we've got a VB pin illustration, which is a deep brown with rose gold hardware and crystals. Wonder if that's a hint. So you get plenty of pages of these. These are a very simple, square, very understated, perfect for jotting down all of your notes and lists. Next up, we get another pack of the transparent stickers this month, and since they're so tiny, I wanted to just kind of zoom in so we get all the details. So this is the bar sticker sheet, and then we get 2 of the shape stickers, and then an icon sheet, corners, and I love this pattern here with the splotches and splatters. And then we get one that's got the word stickers, lots of phrases on there, and they're so teeny tiny. And then we've got the last one is the washi strips, and these are divided right here in the middle, so you get 2 of each pattern. And I believe that the bar stickers, yes, the bar stickers are the same, so these are cut right in the middle to fit on your boxes. And we're gonna stay in close-up mode for this next product. We have the enamel pen, and I am obsessed with this. Can y'all see this detail of the glitter in the crystal barrel of the VB pen? Oh my goodness, so cute. I cannot get over this, and I cannot wait to put this on my inspiration board where I keep all of my enamel pins. I mean, this little name tag is too cute, and then you've got the regular enamel pin backing there on the back. I mean, so pretty. And this is definitely true. I do love pretty pins, especially VB pins. Next up, we're going to take a look at this month's washi set. We've got a standard size and a skinny size, so yeah, let's roll them out and take a look. Alright, so first up is our standard size roll, and y'all, I am gonna need like 10 of these. This is so perfect. So you've got this variety of VB pins with the rose gold foiling on there and the marble background. Oh, this is so perfect. I want to put this everywhere. And for our skinny size roll, we've got an abstract pattern of black with rose gold foiling throughout, and I feel like this would be such a great accent piece, especially for a lot of the minimalistic spreads that we've been seeing on Instagram. This is so pretty. And now moving on to one of my favorite items in all of the VB kits, the stickers. So we'll start off by taking a peek at the deco sheets. We've got a variety of VB pins up at the top, and then some really cute office decoration down at the bottom, beautifully foiled with rose gold. And then for the main sticker book, as always, you've got your kit date and title here at the top, along with an overview and breakdown of all the sheets on the back. So let's start off with this first page of full boxes, which is just stunning. I love these quotes, all about creating and designing and inspiring. I mean, the patterns, the colors, all of it. This is beautiful. And then our next page, look at this color palette. Oh, so we've got the circle icons and some labels, bill stickers. And then another sheet of the full boxes. You've got your days of the week over here to make a little sidebar or tracker. And then you've got some clipboards and 3/4 boxes down at the bottom. And our full page of half boxes with rose gold foiling. Got some VB pins in there. And then this sheet of the headers and labels. And look at that script, so pretty. And then you've got your scallops and your longer labels and boxes down here. I love this one. And then our full page of deco, which is one of my top faves in every sticker kit or sticker book. I love this page. They're just so good. I love this board here too, and the flat lays. This whole thing is just amazing. And then we've got our flags and checklist, banners, and then 2 sets of date covers, some arrows, some tab stickers, and quote boxes. And then the last page, instead of the mini weeks kit, this time we get the big boxes again and the hexagons, which are very pretty. I've been loving seeing what everyone was doing with the fashionista page from this one. So really excited to see what everyone's gonna make with these. All right, who else was dying to see this month's pin? You guys, it does not disappoint. This is so gorgeous. So this is the Beautify Your Planner 2.0 VB pin. We've got rose gold everything, hardware and barrels, and then the crystal mix. Of course, Tiffany will have the breakdown of all of the specific colors, but I'm seeing the clear, iridescent, some pinks. I mean, just a beautiful pen, but I mean, I didn't expect anything less. And of course, every VB kit does come with a refill for your pretty pens, so that once you use this one, you've got a backup, and then you can get these individually in the shop as well. All right, so next up, we're gonna take a look at this month's paper pack, which is gorgeous as usual. So every time you get a paper pack, you're gonna get everything that's included with the basic kit, and you also get 4 sheets of 8.5 by 11-inch double-sided cardstock. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. What was I saying? Okay, cardstock, and it's such a nice, smooth quality of cardstock as well. Normally in regular kits, they'll come folded in half because of the shipping and the little pouch, but no crease this month. They come flat and straight. You also get 2 sheets of vellum. So here is our first vellum pattern and the second. So yeah, since we had a bigger shipping box for this month's VB kit, we also got the extended room to have the flat sheets. I know that a lot of you will be happy about that, but we do have some blogs on the VB site that show how to use the paper even with the folds, so it works great. And if not, you also get the digitals that you can print and use however you want on any size paper, with or without folds, totally up to you. Okay, so these, yep, all of these are my favorites. I want to do an entire setup just based on these 4. And the vellums, of course, but I love these patterns. They are so chic, so classic, beautiful. Y'all didn't think we were through, did y'all? So Tiffany went all out, completely spoiled us for this month's VB kit. These are the 2 additional VB pins that were included with the VB kit pre-orders. She will have all of the official details, such as the names and crystal mixes, but y'all know I had to share. I mean, come on, 2 more VB pins? So beautiful. So this top one has kind of like a smoky, deep purple barrel, and the bottom is more of a nudish tan, and then white logos, rose gold hardware, and here is a close-up of those crystals. And here are all 3 of the kit pins together. I mean, this rose gold is just screaming my name right now, y'all. So good. When I said Tiffany spoiled us, I meant Tiffany spoiled us. Check out this beautiful pink pouch. It's got the VillabeauTIFFul logo on the front with a heart charm that can be removed and used on keys or planners or anywhere else. You unzip it, open it up. Okay, we've got a pen pouch, y'all. So we've got a nice divider in between that says My Pretty Pens. And then you've got 4 slots on each side for a total of 8. Let's just take this baby for a test run with the VB kit pins. So you slide them right in. I love that you don't have to like fight with it at all. You've got your divider here to make sure that if you've got your pins double loaded over here, they're not rubbing up against each other, getting scratches. This is just such a great way to carry and store and transport a few of your favorite VB pens. I mean, this is just so nice and soft and luscious. Is that a good word for this? I don't know. This is just a really lush, maybe lush is the word I was looking for. So nice. Oh, just beautiful. But wait, there's more. Sorry, y'all. I just had to fulfill my fantasy of being one of those like late 90s commercial announcers. Okay. I mean, this speechless. That's what we're doing. If I'm going to be stuttering, I just want y'all to know this is why. Look at this pouch, this clutch, this cover. I don't even know. This is, I mean, I just can't stop rubbing it. So, let's open this snap and see what's inside. All right, so we've got a little styrofoam noodle there. Okay, so we're opening sideways. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, so we've got a VB pen loop over here. We've got 1, 2, 3 pockets this way, 1 big pocket this way. We've got the VillabeauTIFFul logo down there at the bottom. Let's see, let's open this up. Oh my gosh, look at this keychain. I mean, it's got the VillabeauTIFFul logo engraved on it too. Okay, so I can see that this has a hole up here at the top, which is probably where this is meant to go. This is going on my keys, y'all. I need to have this all the time, just carried around with me. I love that. Okay, so diving right back in, we've got this like little insert here, which slides in and out on the strings. This has strings. Okay, it's a TN cover. Is that what's happening here? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 strings. This was on the first one. So we've got a zippered pouch on this side. And then some pockets, 2 pockets. Wait, no, those are divided. That's 4 pockets on this side. And then a sample, let me take this off so it's not catching the glare. A B6 TN insert sampler made exclusively for VillabeauTIFFul, designed by Paperish Prints. Let's take a look what's in here. Okay, so, all right, so we've got a weekly layout with the blank days over here. We've got some grid space, place for notes and goals, grateful for. Okay, so we've got a few weeks of those. Okay, this is a sampler, so we're getting all kinds of things in here. We've also got a large version of the VB Pen Tracker with plenty of space to write the name, release date, check if it's permanent, limited, or kit pen, notes. You've got a place up here to color or add your VB pen stickers. Let me see real quick, hang on. Yeah, okay, so you could just like put that on top of there or add it to the side or something if you wanted to do that and not leave it just blank. Let's see. So we've got a few pages of those. Oh, this is cool. So then we've got a VB kit tracker for the month, kit name, theme, and favorite products. So I mean, if you're ordering, you want to keep track of what you've ordered or what you missed maybe. Just got a few pages of those. Then we've got some dot grid pages. This is a really nice sampler. I get all kinds of things in here. So that's that. And then let's see, it looks like one of these sticker book holders possibly. And this is, okay, this is tucked into this back slot. This is not on a string, it's tucked in. So you've got clear on the front and the back. VB logo here at the bottom. Okay, I just wanted to do it off the screen so that the glare and the sound wasn't catching so bad on the video. But the VB sticker books do fit in here. Like, look at that, it's in there. Oh, this is a great way to keep up with stuff and to be able to insert it into here and carry it around with you. Like if you're going on a trip or something, or, you know, just don't want to have all your stuff spread out. And you just tuck the back into this pocket here to carry back around. That is awesome. I love the thought that went into this. This is really awesome. Okay, so this one goes all the way through. And then you got the pin loop back here, and then this big deep pocket here. And then it all folds up so nicely. So this is it completely empty on the inside. And then on the outside, oh my gosh, this is so soft. Okay, sorry, that's probably annoying to y'all, but once you get yours, just rub it a little bit. You'll see what I'm talking about. All right, I need to go set this up right now. This is too fun. All right, y'all, I have no chills. Sorry, I could not wait. This thing is snapped perfectly. It's not like pulled tight or anything. Look how chunky. I have this thing packed right now. And yes, I did put this on there just for illustration purposes, but this will be going on my keys. Don't worry about that. So let's open this up and see what all I was able to fit in here. This is wild. Okay, so in my side pockets over here, I've got a couple of sheets of VB stickers, some of the tall sheets from the Serenity VBKit, some more small sheets down here in the bottom one. In this little pocket insert, I've got page flags and one of the Fashionista task cards or planner cards, and then I've got 2 more of the VBKit page flags here. This little pouch is perfect for holding all of these smaller sheets of stickers. I've got 2 inserts here in the middle, along with the insert sampler on the last string. I've got my sticker book here I've just put in a few kits so far, or sticker books so far. I'm going to save this first pocket to put in like a decorative card or something here to act as a cover. So I've got some of these already put in here, and I've still got plenty of pages to add to that, thankfully, because the Shine Bright VBKit album I had was running out of space. Then back here, I've got my Beautiffy Your Planner VBKit pin. And then in the back pocket, I could fit my whole little sticker album or sticker collecting book just right back here. And it closed just fine. Like, look at all of the space and room for activities in this thing. This is magical. This whole kit. I love it. I feel so spoiled and thrilled. Yeah, all of the positive words insert here. This was such an amazing kit, y'all. And here are the digitals for this month's VBKit. You get all of these clip arts and papers to use over and over again. They're only included with pre-orders though, so don't miss out on next month's. They go live every month on the 20th. All the VB links can be found in the description below, so you can check out the kit info page, the Facebook group, the shop, the design team blog, all of that and more. And this month we also get a folder of digital dashboards, and these quotes that are on here all came from a contest from the VillabeauTIFFul community Facebook group, so I just wanted to give a little shout out to the winners of that contest. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or I'd love to know what your favorite part of this month's VBKit was. Hope y'all enjoyed, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.